having as a having. Now we can go to this table for relationship type, and here we can see this entry. So what is the name of this? So display name is having. Okay, so this we have defined. So basically we have defined this relationship type also. So step 5 is also completed. Now we can come to a step 6. Now what we need to do, create a profile to use the existing one. So what is the use of this step 6? Why we need to create profile? So basically after doing this all the setup, if you come again to this hierarchy manager here, this is basically, I told it will act as a front end. So here we are still not able to see anything, right? This is saying there is no hierarchy manager profile available for this user account. See your system administrator for assistant, right? So it is saying basically there is no profile available for the hierarchy manager, right? So we are going to define profile so that that profile can reflect here now. Okay, so we are that's why in this step we are going to define the profile in the step 6. So how to define the profile? So for that, see here, if you are going, then can't see anything because we have not configured profile. That is fine. We saw just now. Now for defining the profile, you have to come here. Model hierarchy profile. Okay. So since all the configuration we will do from this hierarchy, here we can see the profiles. So here by default one profile is there, but we have not defined any profile by ourselves. So we are going to define a new profile for our setup. So name as profile underscore ds. You can give any name of the profile. So let me copy the profile name. We can ds means data steward. Okay. So just suppose we are going to create one profile for data steward users. So here we are getting a option add profile. Okay. So give name as add profile, and whatever relationship you have created, just you have to select that relationship so that this profile can be mapped with this relationship. So one profile can be mapped with the multiple relationship. Okay, so if you have multiple relationship, we can select here. And if you come here in validate, so this new object will be removed unless it is saved. Okay, so we have to save it first. So this one already we have saved, that in this profile already got saved. Now we can come to validate. Okay, so if we are going to validate this, validate HM configuration here, then it will fail. Okay, so basically why it will fail, here I've already mentioned that step. Validate, it will fail first time. Why? Because we need to create display package and put package for all 3 base object. Which 3 base object? So the 3 base object, this base object I can show from here: address, customer, and relationship. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to create display and put package for customer, for address, and for relationship type. Then once setup will be done, and once we will try to validate here, then we will see that we will not get this error. Okay, so for time being, let's ignore that and let's try to create the display and put package for all 3 this entity type. Okay, so how we can do that? For creating that package, just you can come here, right click, create new package. You can create package from here also, or you can create from here also. You are free to create. Okay, so for customer, I think already we have created package display customer, package put customer. For customer already we have created. Okay, now we have to create for address also. I think we have created this. Name is like that, package display assist, and put this assist, right? That also fine, we can use it. So that means we have to just create for relationship type, right? So let's create a new package. I think we have to create query also. So query already we have this. For address also, first let's create the new query group. So query group, this is for relationship type, real type. This is the third table we have. Now create query. Before creating package, we need to create query. So same thing we are doing. Now query for real type, query group this one, and here we have to select this table, B real type. Okay, now finish. Okay, fine. Now we can create package, new package. Package name is suppose pkg underscore display underscore real type. Okay, this is display, so no need to select this, and select the query.